welcome to my channel. Today topic is exercise 1.4 and we will discuss the last question of this exercise, and the question is, which of the following matrices are skew symmetric? Now I already discussed in previous lecture what is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric mean when the transpose of any matrix is equal to the negative of that matrix, then that matrix is skew symmetric. That is, the element only change their signs. Okay, now if you look at here, taking transpose on both sides, and when we apply this 0 positive 4 will change into first column, and this negative 4 0 will change into second column. Now if we will compare the original matrix and the solution, 0 0 positive 4 negative 4 negative 4 positive 4 0 0, only the difference is the sign difference. So transpose of A is equal to negative of A, so A is a skew symmetric matrix. If you look at the second matrix, taking transpose on both sides, B transpose is equal to 0 negative 5 5 0, and this is transpose. When we will apply it, this 0 negative 5 will be converted into first column, and the second row will convert into second column. Now here also B transpose is equal to negative of B, 0 minus B minus 5, and here 0 5 5 0 negative 5 0. So the signs are changed but elements are same, so it is a skew symmetric matrix. If you look at third part, 0 7 7 0 is C matrix. If we will take transpose on both sides, and when we will apply it, this first row will change into first column, second row will change into second column, and when I will look at this solution and original matrix 0 7 7 0, these are same, so C transpose is equal to C, so C is a symmetric matrix, not skew symmetric. If you look at the D matrix, it's a square matrix, so the order will not change. Taking transpose on both sides, and when I will apply it, this first row will change into first column, second into second column, third into third column. Now I will compare it with solution set or with original matrix and solution matrix. 0 0 positive 3 negative 3 2 negative 2 negative 3 positive 3 0 0 1 negative 1 negative 2 positive 1 negative 1 positive 1 0 0. So the signs are interchanged. Positive 3 is converted into negative 3, negative 3 is converted into positive 3, so D transpose is equal to negative of D, so D is a skew symmetric matrix. Hope you like the video, and if you have any comment, please write it in comment section, and if you have any suggestion, please tell me. I will share all types, all questions, all parts, all topics of mathematics of 9th class Abbottabad board with you. Thanks.